ISO, let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost.
Yo, Rock Nation, what it do, boys? Welcome back to another banger. So today, just gonna do a little things around the car real quick. I had ordered a chunk liner, which is a must, all black. I haven't opened it yet, as y'all saw by the clip. You gonna start? You just wait for me to start vlogging for you could say something and interrupt what I'm saying? Bro, you need to chill with the vibes, boy.
You know the vibes.
Hey, you know the vibes, but yo, like she said, it's gonna be in the link below. Everything that I got, yo, it was like in BMW, that shit was gonna come to like 140. In Amazon, I found it for like 55 bucks. I haven't seen it yet, but it's the same genuine BMW, but I found it on Amazon. I found this amazing product that's gonna change your leather, bro. No money off this, but I just want y'all to have great seats. The car is downstairs, and on top of that, I have to go check on my girl's car. So you already know the vibes. I'll see you outside. And it's brick ass December, but it's whatever, man. The grind don't stop.
Oh my god, we're in January. Are you kidding me?
Shit, January. Hey, this lockdown, this New York City lockdown got me bugging. It got me bugging, bro. What you mean?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Not on lockdown.
So anyway, make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe. Make sure. Hey, that's a fact. Look, y'all see the vibes. Look, because I don't want to take it off, man. I'm about to do some nice shots right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep showing love. We growing. We at 940, 950 right now. Hey, you know the vibes, boys.
I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real. Stay Tommy'd up, tryna build it up, tryna count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them.
Yo, it's actually beautiful outside. Oh, hell, now we ain't different. Try to fix up the car a little bit. Y'all don't be having those days that you just wanna just like clean and just like organize and just like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even do that in the crib. Sometimes I really don't, bro. But I do it to the cars. You know, I don't be modding the crib, bro. I gotta stop modding it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, about to get lit. Oh, it's beautiful, bro. It's not even that cold. I'm over here bugging. Think it's gonna be freezing. But it's actually a beautiful ass day. Y'all don't wanna see my chunk. Oh, nah. Look at the trunk though, bro. Sheesh. So I gotta organize this. It's looking crazy. Damn. Hold on, before we get into that video, my last video that I posted, like I said, I don't know, a couple videos ago, this car has been sitting in the private parking lot in my community. This car's been sitting there for mad long. It was the Alpina, yo. And shout out to the subscribers that told me that that was an expensive ass car. And that car is still here, bro. That car is still here. And y'all see the potential of that car. Y'all see the potential in my last video, the white Alpina. Fire. And look, it's still here. I don't even know why is it jacked up like that. Look at that. Oh, badass car, bro. Why is this shit popping up like that? Oh, is this shit blown? What's going on over here? Why is it jacked up? There's no jacks on here. I don't know why it's one side popping up like. I think this. Ooh, okay. Yeah, the Alpina, bro. This shit got so much potential. Look at this. But why? This car is still sitting here, bro. Like, yo, like look at the seats. Yo, why, bro? the potential in this car. Why is that car? Look, the steering wheel even got the. But yeah, man, I don't know. They're still here. Grills. You know what I'll do to this car? Did I write a letter to him? Try to copy it? I'm gonna write a letter to him, bro. I'm gonna write a letter. That's it. Anything works. Dear Alpina BMW. What the hell are you doing with this car? If you need help, hit me the hell up. Simple. Nah, but I'm dead serious. I'm gonna put a letter. I just told him what I told you, man. Can you please call me? You need any help? Or you trying to sell? Or just hit me up. Yeah, right there. Let's get it. I'm trying to show you is, like, this is one of the best things that I found for my leather interior. This is a must for the car. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. Like, this is different. If y'all trying to protect your leather seats, look, my leather interior is, look at that. It looks new, bro. The back, nobody sits back there, so it's definitely new. But like, I haven't put it for a week just for this video. I was trying to show y'all, you know, how this works or whatever. So this is what it is right here. Yo, I'm obviously not sponsored or anything, but like, I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, bless y'all, give y'all knowledge to what y'all should do to the whip. But this though, and by the way, my boy's looking for red interior for M3. He's looking for like a red 2 seats in the front. If y'all know anybody selling or black ones, y'all can hit me up on my DMs on my ROC_NYC. Y'all can hit me up, you know what I'm saying, give me the link. I could reach out to them. You know, my boy's trying to buy red M3 seats and I'm trying to buy the black ones. So if you guys got anybody that has seats in good condition, let me know. This is really because I got my shit ceramic coated. This I got it from Waterworks. It's $10. This is actually amazing. Amazing, it smells good. Tips and tricks about smelling good? Together, hanging in the side of the car, and you gonna love me. These are the best scents y'all can get for your whips. Anyway, you already know the vibes. Alright, y'all, we back, man. You already know the vibes right here. Look at that. I wish I had a little vacuum, but it's clean. I'm telling y'all. You see like that, you don't want these things there. So let's see what it is. Let's see the quality.
They got me steady, thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills.
It's a little bit, but it's gonna go down. It's been in the box, so this is fire though, bro. I like it. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's supposed to sit, yeah. That's how it's supposed to sit. But obviously, since it's been bended or whatever, I'm gonna have to put like stuff in there. That way it's gonna lay flat afterwards. Ooh, yes sir. Damn, that shit's clean, bro. Y'all like it, bro? Alright, y'all. So here's the big moment. The big moment. Hey, I recommend every single body to get this. All you have to do is pop it up like that. It pops open. Hey, you need the little sponge thing, but I don't have that. So I use the glove. Alright, clean towel. You gotta get the clean towel. Ooh, look at that. Steering wheel looking stupid. Alright, so yeah, man. So you can't let it dry up and sit for a minute. So you have to go put that. Oh my god, the smell. Hit it. Hit everything, bro. Everything y'all want. Y'all seen how it looks? Look how dull. Look. Step at a time. It was dull. Hit it with the towel. Look at that, y'all. That shit is crazy, bro. Everybody always asks me, yo, your car smells good. Yo, what you use? And it's this, man. This and the 3 trees that I showed ya. Look at that. I only bought that bottle for like, I think it was like 12 bucks. Worth it. Tell me if y'all can see a difference, because in person, oh my God, you can. Look. Oh shit, the shine. Look at the shine though. See how dull it is? Look at this. Look at that. Even the bottom, look how dry. It's like our bodies, yo, it need lotion, you know? And look at this now. You can't let it sit for so long, cause you know what I'm saying, it's really strong, so don't let it sit for too long, y'all. Look at that. Yo, nah, y'all see no vibes, those cute. Y'all see it, look. Oh yes, sir. I'ma hit it twice. This is just on camera. I'm trying to prove a point to y'all that this is life. You wanna take care of him? Hold on. Oh my God. Look at the vibes though. Look how silky. The secret stuff. The Michael secret stuff.
What? Your secret stuff.
Look at that. Exactly. See how dry? Watch this. See how dry, look. Watch this. Look at that. Everything. And just add the cloth all over. It makes everything shine. Look. Brand new. I'm telling you, with the sponge, it'll be better because the leather's gonna absorb more. So, look at that. Watch. That's it.
Look at this.
Look at that. It's beautiful, yo. You see, like when the sun beaming and you gotta cover it, that should be going through the leather, and the leather's man hot. This is gonna protect the leather from cracking, so it's not gonna crack. So with that shit, it protects from the sun and keeps it shiny, but not wet. And that's why my interior looks like the way it does. Look, and make sure you hit it. Look at that, how shiny. You know what I'm saying? I go through everything. So like, I don't know, leave it in the comments if you like your seats and your interior to look like the wet, silky look. But it feels good, it doesn't get in your clothes, it smells amazing. It smells like a brand new car, you feel me? Let me go to the other side. It smells like a whole snack. But you gotta treat these cars good, man. You can't slack, man. You can't. Nah, bro, I'm not doing that no more. Especially if you trying to spend money on it and trying to make it, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, it's dry. Like, it's dry. It looks wet, but it's not. It's dry. That's how it works. Like, that shit is insane. And the shine. Look at the car, though. Like, everything's so shiny.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look
I passed it there, and I didn't pass it there, and look at the difference. Crazy.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal.
Brand new, bro.
Generations please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby,
That was amazing. Just the way you are.
hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free.
Hey, the way I'm showing this shit love, it feels like I'm getting money for it, but I'm not getting money. I just want all y'all cars to be beautiful. My seats is shining right now. You know the vibes. Let me know if y'all cop it. Leave it in the comments, man. It works. If y'all buy it, just make sure you buy the sponge. That way you can, you know what I'm saying, you can hit it. You can hit it in there like that. So I hope you guys find this shit helpful. I hope you guys drop a like. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys show love to your boy. But before we leave, let me go show the trunk liner real quick.
Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out.
Leave it in the comments if y'all feeling that right there, that trunk liner. I'm telling you, I go to the gym, I play ball, I throw my sweaty shit there. I don't want my shit to smell, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want that shit to be on my carpet. Hope you guys enjoy this video, man. I appreciate everybody that's tuning in to my channel. Thank y'all for helping me grow and supporting and watching. Keep staying tuned, bro. You already know the vibes. ROC Rock Nation, let's get it, boys.